Welcome to Copernicus AI, Frontiers of Science. I'm Matilda, and today we're exploring recent breakthroughs in yeast cell research. Adam, what makes this field so dynamic right now?
Thanks, Matilda. Yeast, a seemingly simple organism, is proving to be incredibly valuable for understanding complex biological processes. One key area is the DNA damage response. Zhongdao Li, Alexander H Pearlman, and Peggy Hsieh's review discusses the role of DNA mismatch repair in this response, highlighting how crucial yeast studies are for understanding even mammalian cells. This is a paradigm shift because it shows how fundamental processes are conserved across vastly different organisms.
So, yeast helps us understand DNA repair in humans? That's amazing. What else are we learning from yeast?
Another fascinating area is the role of yeast in immunity. Elena De Marco Castro, Philip C. Calder, and Helen M Roche's review focuses on V1316 glucans and their impact on the immune system. Yeast is a significant source of these glucans, and their research suggests these dietary components can modulate the immune response. This has huge implications for nutritional science and preventative medicine.
Dietary components affecting immunity. That's a major connection. But are there dangers too?
Yes, definitely. Fang Wang, RunHua Han, and Shi Chen shed light on Talaromyces, an infection caused by the fungus Talaromyces marneffei. Their study highlights that while we often focus on the beneficial aspects of fungi, we can't ignore the pathogenic potential. The infection is devastating in Asia and the mortality is high, and their study really highlights the need for better diagnostics and treatments.
This is a critical reminder of the dual nature of microorganisms. What about the inner workings of yeast cells? Are we making progress there?
Absolutely. Research is revealing new insights into autophagy, the process cells use to clean up damaged components. Jiyong Choi, Haiyun Zhang, Zhao Xuan, and colleagues' paper on ATG9, ATG9A explores the emerging roles of this protein in autophagy. First discovered in yeast, this protein is essential in autophagy and has significance in cell and neurobiology. These studies provide new clues about the mechanisms behind neurodegenerative diseases.
So, understanding autophagy in yeast could help with understanding brain diseases in humans? What about the waste management within the cell?
Good question. Anand Kumar Bachawat and Amandeep Kaur tackled glutathione degradation. For a long time, glutathione degradation was thought to only occur outside the cytosol, but their work helps paint the full picture.
Interesting. What about extending the lifespan of cells?
J.S. Goodman, Grant King, and Elchin Unal looked into cellular quality control during gametogenesis. This is all about making sure reproductive cells are top-notch, and their work shines light on how cells prevent damage from accumulating. This has big implications for understanding aging and fertility.
What about sustainability?
On the sustainability front, Yan Yang, Fateme Haidari, and Bo Hu are exploring fungi-based lipid production as an alternative energy source. Using mold to produce lipids for biodiesel has the potential to create a more sustainable economy. We are still early in this kind of research, but it could offer a viable alternative in the future.
And the ability to understand things at a single cell level must make the research easier?
Yes, indeed. Rui Hu, Ying Li, Yunhuang Yang, and others looked at mass spectrometry-based strategies for single-cell metabolomics. The single-cell focus is increasingly important.
So, from understanding fundamental cellular processes to exploring new energy sources, yeast research is incredibly diverse and impactful. Thank you, Adam, for breaking down this groundbreaking research. It sounds like the study of yeast will continue to unlock even more secrets of biology and contribute to a more sustainable future.
My pleasure, Matilda. The future is bright for yeast research. There's so much more to discover.